Upgrade your driving experience with this advanced Tesla-style car radio stereo, specially designed for the Ford Explorer models from 2011 to 2017. Featuring a sleek 2.5D full IPS touchscreen, it delivers high-resolution and sharp visuals for an immersive in-car experience. Whether you're navigating through maps or switching between music and calls, the interface remains responsive and smooth thanks to a powerful CPU running speeds between 1.3 GHz and 2.2 GHz. This head unit runs on the new Android 13.0 system, offering seamless support for both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You can stay connected via 4G LTE or Wi-Fi and enjoy real-time or offline GPS navigation, supported by built-in GPS and GLONASS positioning systems. The split-screen feature allows you to multitask, like viewing maps while changing your playlist, all on the same screen. Installation is simple and quick with a plug-and-play setup that supports your original steering wheel controls. For added safety, the unit supports reverse camera input, ensuring confident parking and backing up. With built-in Bluetooth, you can make hands-free calls or stream music effortlessly. You also get multiple UI options to match your style, and the system is built to withstand extreme temperatures, from -30 to +80 degrees Celsius. This radio stereo is more than just a screen, it's a complete upgrade to your car's intelligence and entertainment system.